Santa's Ride is so important to our patients and families, especially the ones who are inpatient at the hospital. The holidays can be really hard for our families, with parents coming back and forth to the hospital and being able to go buy presents for their kids. So having the Fairfax County Police Department provide us with these toys really takes some of that stress off of our families. We love being able to give families that little bit of extra help every holiday season, and we are so thankful that we get to continue this tradition here at Georgetown.
Santa's Ride came to us courtesy of the Fairfax County Police Department many years ago through a connection with a very dear patient of ours, Dalton Gulsby. His dad was on the police force out there, and he invited his co-workers to share their toy wealth with Georgetown Hospital. And every year since then, they've been coming with literally a truckload of toys for us to give to our patients and their families. We're so grateful for this long-lasting relationship. It makes such a difference to the kids that we work with every single year.
Today we collected toys over the past month for Santa's Ride from the public. Then we take the toys to local hospitals and donate them to sick kids who would benefit from receiving toys during the holidays. It's just about giving back to the community. We are able to amount a lot of resources that we're able to then turn around and give to people in need. So just being able to see the look on the children's faces when they receive a gift that maybe they wouldn't have received is what makes it very important and special to us.
My daughter has been having a medical condition since she's 10 months old. And she's now 10 years old, and we're still going through the trials of going back and forth to the doctors. And you know, sometimes the burden of not having enough money gets in the way. And for this, you know, the hospital and different organizations to pitch in to give us donations, you know, it means a lot to us.
This means everything to me. My daughter, she became a transplant patient 6 years ago when she was 1. And every year since then, we've been getting toys from the drive. It makes my kids happy. Their faces when they wake up on Christmas morning to see so many gifts.
I want to thank you guys so much. You guys just don't know how much this means so much to us. I mean, this takes a burden off from me. It's like one less thing I have to worry about besides going to doctor's appointments and how I'm going to buy toys. So thank you.
Happy holidays from the Royal Three. We love Georgetown. We love Transplant Clinic. Thank you.
Merry Christmas from Fairfax County Police and Sheriff's Office.